Welcome back to another deep dive into the absolute cutting edge of automotive and aerospace technology. Today, we are witnessing a moment that feels like it was ripped straight out of a 1980s science fiction film, but as of February 2026, it is officially becoming a reality. We are talking about the Xpeng AeroHT land aircraft carrier, a vehicle that has moved from the realm of ambitious concepts and trade show prototypes to a production-ready machine that you can actually buy. For years, the industry has talked about flying cars as a far-off dream, but Xpeng's electric air mobility arm has taken a different approach. Instead of trying to make a car that flies, they have built a massive six-wheeled electric mothership that carries a detachable two-seater eVTOL aircraft in its boot. This modular masterpiece is currently making waves as customer deliveries are slated to begin later this year, and it is reshaping our understanding of what personal luxury transportation can be. The ground module of this setup, often referred to as the Mothership, is an engineering marvel in its own right. Stretching approximately 5.5 meters in length, this isn't just your average minivan. It is a rugged, cyber-mech-inspired six-wheeler featuring three-axle all-wheel drive and rear-wheel steering to ensure that its massive footprint remains manageable in urban environments. From a design standpoint, the influence of the Tesla Cybertruck is unmistakable, with its sharp angles, brushed metal look panels, and a minimalist aesthetic that screams futurism. Underneath that polarizing skin lies an 800-volt high-voltage electrical platform utilizing an extended-range electric vehicle setup. This means the van uses an internal combustion engine solely as a generator to charge the batteries, providing a total mixed range of over 1,000 kilometers. This range extender approach is a stroke of genius as it addresses the primary concern of air mobility: how to power an aircraft when you are far away from a traditional charging station. The real magic happens when you reach your destination. With a simple one-click operation, the rear compartment of the van opens up like a high-tech hangar. The air module, which is a two-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing drone, automatically slides out on a sophisticated rail system. Once detached, its 6 arms and propellers unfold in a coordinated mechanical dance that takes less than 5 minutes.
This aircraft is built using over 42% lightweight aviation-grade carbon fiber composites to balance strength with weight efficiency. The air module features a 270-degree panoramic cockpit, giving the pilot and passenger a breathtaking view of the surroundings as they lift off vertically. It is designed for low-altitude personal travel, reaching top speeds of around 130 kilometers per hour with a flight time of approximately 35 minutes. It even supports both manual joystick control and fully autonomous flight modes, making the experience accessible even to those who aren't trained pilots. Perhaps the most impressive integration is the charging system. The Mothership doesn't just transport the aircraft, it serves as a mobile energy platform. When the drone returns to its hangar, the van recharges the aircraft's battery from 30 to 80% in just 18 minutes. This synergy allows for up to 6 individual flights before the ground vehicle itself needs to be replenished. Xpeng is producing this modular system at a dedicated state-of-the-art facility in Guangzhou, China, which has an initial capacity of 10,000 units per year. The company has already secured over 7,000 pre-orders from high-net-worth individuals and even emergency service organizations, as the vehicle has obvious applications in medical rescue and high-rise evacuations, where traditional ground transport might be blocked by traffic or terrain. The cost for this dual-mode mobility experience is roughly 2 million yuan, which translates to approximately $287,000. While that is certainly a high-end luxury price point, it is remarkably competitive when you consider you are getting both a sophisticated six-wheel drive hybrid truck and a fully functional electric aircraft. Xpeng CEO He Xiaopeng has emphasized that this launch is part of a broader push to dominate the low-altitude economy, a market that is expected to grow into a multi-trillion-dollar industry over the next decade. As pre-sales continue to climb and the first batch of customer units rolls off the assembly line, the land aircraft carrier is no longer just a headline-grabbing concept. It is the opening salvo in a new era of transportation where the road and the sky are no longer separate.
Whether you view it as the ultimate toy for the elite or a legitimate breakthrough in emergency logistics, there is no denying that the era of the flying car has finally arrived, and it comes in the back of a very large, very capable six-wheeled minivan.